sensing earthquakes from the Earth's stratosphere using earthquake balloons. And this is from Space Weather. They're also telling us we have a Perseid meteor shower going on. Earth has entered a stream of debris from comet Swift-Tuttle, source of the annual Perseid meteor shower. We're only in the outskirts of the stream now, but already Perseid fireballs are streaking across the night sky. The shower will peak in bright moonlight August 12 to 13, when Earth touches the densest part of the debris zone. Now, concerning these earthquake balloons in the stratosphere, if you want to detect an earthquake on Venus, good luck. The planet's surface is hot enough to melt lead, and the atmospheric pressure is crushing. No ground-based seismometer could possibly survive there. What's an extraterrestrial seismologist to do? Launch a balloon. A new paper just published in the Geophysical Research Letters reports the detection of a magnitude 7.3 earthquake by a fleet of balloons floating through the stratosphere above Indonesia's Flores Sea. And that's the area of, as we know, of Papua New Guinea and all that area of Indonesia having quite big earthquakes and almost on a daily basis. So this was a detection by these balloons of a 7.3 magnitude earthquake in Indonesia's Flores Sea. Onboard infrasound sensors registered acoustic waves rippling upward from the sea surface below, proving that here on Earth balloons can be used as seismometers. The same technique should work in the atmospheres of Venus, says Rafael Garcia, the study's lead author and a planetary scientist in the Institut Supérieur d'Aéronautique et de l'Espace of University of Toulouse in France. He says balloon-based sensors could float high above Venus's deadly surface, collecting data at a safe distance. In the fall of 2021, the Centre National d'Études Spatiales, CNES, launched a fleet of 16 balloons from Mahé Island in the Seychelles archipelago. Unlike ordinary weather balloons, which explode in a matter of hours, these were superpressure balloons which can remain aloft for months. Stratospheric winds carried them over the Flores Sea. 4 balloons picked up the undersea quake December 14, 2021. Combining their signals, researchers pinpointed the epicenter within 300 kilometers. The magnitude of the quake was within 0.8 units, and its onset within 50 seconds. And furthermore, waveforms recorded by the infrasound sensors were detailed enough to sense structures on the Earth 100 kilometers deep. Garcia would like to do the same thing on Venus. He said, we know nothing of its interior. He said, we don't know how it's made inside, and seismology is one of the best tools to figure that out. Seismic balloons could come in handy on Earth as well. Balloons could be used to cover ocean regions where conventional seismometers are not yet deployed, Garcia says. Another advantage, balloons may be rapidly deployed just after a big earthquake for monitoring aftershocks. The test flights have already unearthed a curiosity in South America. On November 28, 2021, just one of the balloons detected a magnitude 7.5 earthquake in northern Peru. The infrasound frequency of 0.23 hertz was higher than expected. For comparison, the Flores Sea earthquake registered a more typical 0.085 to 0.125 hertz. Garcia's team believes the high pitch may have been caused by a ringing of sediments in the Amazonian basin. Sensing earthquakes from the atmosphere, the stratosphere, is relatively new. Researchers at Caltech and the Jet Propulsion Laboratory did it for the first time in July 2019. Garcia's studies marks the first time an earthquake was detected by more than one balloon, and it would not be the last. So this is on Space Weather. That's great because at least in this way, they can find out what's going on under the oceans. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.